The smartphone will get an unusual camera. Proven sources of the publication, previously published images of the prototypes of the iPhone 11, showed the approved design of the next flagship Apple. According to insiders, Apple decided on the final appearance of the iPhone 11. The smartphone will get a triple camera located in the middle of the back surface of the case. The final design of the iPhone 11 is declassified. According to verified sources, Apple has approved one of the prototypes of the iPhone 11 as the final one. Previously, images of this prototype have already been published on the internet by a famous on-leaks insider. The smartphone has a traditional body shape with rounded corners, a reduced upper display frame and a system of 3 cameras located in the middle of the top part of the cover. The final design of the iPhone 11 is declassified. In addition, Compare Raja sources said that the iPhone 11 will be released in 4 colors. In addition to the usual for Apple smartphones silver, gold and gray, iPhone 11 will be presented in a new blue color. Insiders stressed that the blue version of the iPhone May 11th come out a few months after the start of sales of new items by analogy with the red iPhone models in previous years. It is important to note that the Compare Raja edition is not really verified. In this regard, the information published by him should be treated with skepticism, at least until such information is confirmed by more well-known insiders. For example, the same on leaks, which previously published images of the final prototype of the iPhone 11, is in collaboration with Compare Raja. The new iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will be presented at the Apple presentation in September.